Hello students, let us find the solution of question number 4 taken from exercise number 6.5 from our 6th chapter, that is a differential equation from our mathematics number 2. Here the differential equation is written as dy by dx plus y into sec of x is equal to tan of x. Students, first of all we have to recognize the given differential equation. Is it in the form of linear differential equation or homogeneous differential equation or a normal differential equation? First of all, we know that dy by dx plus py is equal to q is the that is a dy by dx plus p. If y written here, we have to write y and q, and p and q are constant or p and q are functions of x. Since यहाँ पे y है तो यहाँ पे y रहेगा, and opposite of y that is x. Since this differential equation is in the form of x and y, functions of x and y. So if y is written here, then we have to write y, and p is the function of x, and q is also the function of x. ओके, p और q क्या होना चाहिए? अगर यहाँ पे y लिखा है तो p और q या तो कांस्टेंट हो या फंक्शंस ऑफ x हो. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? dy by dx. सो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? y. दिस वन इज p. This one is p, means function of x. Q is also a function of q. So basic terms and conditions are satisfied. Okay, so in this way p is equal to sec of x and q is equal to tan of x. p and q are functions of x. Okay, first of all we have to find if. If means integral factor, that is written as e to the power integral of p dx. p क्या है? p is a function of x, so we have to integrate with respect to x. So p means sec of x dx. Okay, and this one is written as e to the power integral of sec of x, that is log of mod of sec of x plus tan of x. Okay, integral of sec of x, that is log of sec of x plus tan of x. Okay, and since we know that there is this one is our natural logarithm, so from the law of logarithm, that is m to the power log of x to the base m is equal to x. So base e base m, तो m x यहाँ पे आ जाता है, that is value of m to the power log of x to the base m is equal to x. So applying this property, we have sec of x plus tan of x. Okay, so our integral factor is sec of x plus tan of x. Okay, clear हो गया? Okay, so after getting if we have to multiply if in both the sides of the standard form of linear differential equation. So since the given equation is also in the form of standard form of the linear differential equation, so write dy by dx plus sec of x into y is equal to tan of x. This left hand side, this one is right hand side, we have to multiply by if is sec of x plus tan of x, sec of x plus tan of x. And if we open this expression, मतलब sec of x plus tan of x into dy by dx करोगे, प्लस sec of x plus tan of x into sec of x into y करोगे, तो एक एक्सप्रेशन मिलेगा, that is in the form of, that is the expression of d by dx of sec of x plus tan of x into y. Okay, this one is u, this one is v. So dy dx of u into v मिलेगा. Okay, means यह this expression left hand side is the expression of u into v, means d by dx of sec of x plus tan of x into y. Let us check. U means sec of x plus tan of x. Derivative of v means derivative of y dy by dx. प्लस थोड़ा सा इसको ओपन करके दिखाता हूँ. ओके, दैट इज sec of x plus tan of x u into derivative of v into dy by dx plus y मतलब y और derivative of this. Okay, means derivative of sec of x, that is sec of x into tan of x. Okay, plus derivative of tan of x, that is sec square of x. क्लियर? तो आप चेक करके देख सकते हो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा. sec of x tan of x into sec of x into y. ये पूरा का पूरा वही है, आपको देख करके बता देता हूँ. देखो, अगर आप यहाँ से प्लस y sec of x कॉमन निकालोगे, टेकिंग sec of x एज ए कॉमन, वी हैव tan of x प्लस sec of x, और ये पूरा का पूरा यहाँ पे. अब आप कंपेयर कीजिए sec of x tan of x dy by dx प्लस y sec x y sec of x, और a इसके पास जाएगा, a इससे से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो ये किसका फॉर्म हो गया? sec of x प्लस tan of x इंटू y का. ओके, वो किसका फॉर्म हो गया? y का. क्लियर? थोड़ा सा हाँ आ गया समझ में, नीचे हो गया था. फिर से बताता हूँ. ए u मीन्स sec x tan x इंटू सपोज u है और ए v है, sec x प्लस tan ऑफ x, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y dy by dx प्लस v मीन्स y इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sec x tan x, मीन्स डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sec x क्या होता है? sec x tan x होता है, प्लस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan x sec स्क्वायर x. अब ये पूरा का पूरा यहाँ लिखिए y. अब sec of x एज ए कॉमन, वी हैव tan ऑफ x प्लस sec स्क्वायर x था, sec x कॉमन गया, बाहर चला गया, तो बचा क्या? tan ऑफ x प्लस sec ऑफ x. नाउ वी हैव sec ऑफ x प्लस tan ऑफ x dy by dx, sec ऑफ x प्लस tan ऑफ x dy by dx. आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो इतना मिलेगा, प्लस sec x y, और ये तो अंदर तो जा ही रहा है, मतलब ये पूरा एक्सप्रेशन किसका फॉर्म है? डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ यू इंटू वी, वेयर u इज इक्वल टू sec x tan x, v इज y. ये पूरा का पूरा एक्सप्रेशन u इंटू v का है. ओके, तो वी कैन राइट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेरिवेटिव, दैट इज डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ sec x प्लस tan ऑफ x एज ए u इंटू v मीन्स y, एंड राइट हैंड साइड इज tan ऑफ x इंटू sec ऑफ x प्लस tan ऑफ x. ओके, तो ये रहा आपका, मैंने इसको डेरिवेटिव फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट किया और इसको थोड़ा सा बताया आपको, यहाँ तक मैंने बताया समझने के लिए, और ये रहा आपका फॉर्म. ओके, मीन्स दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. ये पूरा एक्सप्रेशन किसका है? u इंटू वी का है. ओके, तो हमने इसको डेरिवेटिव के फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट कर दिया. लेट अस टेक द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. So next we have dy dx of sec of x plus tan of x into y, means पूरा expression can be presented in the form of derivative, that is dy dx of sec of x plus tan of x, that is u, v means y is equal to tan of x into sec of x plus tan of x. Taking integration, अब p किसका फंक्शन है? p is a function of x. So we have to take integration of both the sides with respect to x. So integration of डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ sec of x plus tan of x into y dx with respect to x dx. Okay, so integration of tan of x into sec of x plus tan of x और ये रहा dx, and integration of derivative is equal to the given function a वाला है. We have sec of x plus tan of x into y is equal to integration of tan x sec x, means tan of x into sec of x dx plus tan x that is tan square x dx. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. हमको थोड़ा इसको ओपन करना पड़ेगा. You have to open this bracket. Tan x into sec x, tan x into sec x plus tan x into tan x, tan square x, and we know that tan x sec x, integration of tan x sec x is sec of x, and we have to change it in the form of sec square x minus 1 dx. भाई tan square x का इंटीग्रेशन नहीं होता, किसका होता है? sec square x का इंटीग्रेशन होता है. देयर इज ए फार्मूला फॉर sec square x, दैट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sec square x. तो आप इसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तो और tan x sec x का इंटीग्रेशन कितना हो गया? sec x हो गया. भाई डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sec x इज sec x into tan x. सो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ tan x sec x इज sec of x tan square x minus 1. दिस वन इज इक्वल टू sec of x plus integration of sec square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. This one is sec of x plus tan of x. Integral of sec square x is tan of x, और integral of 1 with respect to x is x plus c. यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे है sec of x plus tan of x y is equal to, please check answer. Y sec x plus tan of x is equal to sec of x plus tan of x minus c. So this one is your answer. Answer means solution of the given differential equation. Okay, आ गया समझ में? Please make a note. Next question is question number 5th. X dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square log of x. This equation is already in the form of linear differential equation, but dy by dx is multiplied by x. Okay, first of all we have to remove x, since our standard form of the linear differential equation is dy by dx plus, since y is written here means derivative of y with respect to x, so we have to write y और यहाँ पे p, this one is equal to q. Okay, so first of all change, make coefficient of dy by dx is 1, so dividing by x in both the sides, x upon x, that is dy by dx plus 2y by x is equal to x square log of x upon x, that is 2y by x is equal to x square upon x और log of x upon x. तो we have finally dy by dx plus 2 upon x y is equal to x into log of x. So this one is our linear differential equation, that is y p. Here p is equal to 2 by x, that is function of f of x, that is function of x, and the right hand side q is also the function of x. Okay, so terms and conditions are satisfied. First of all we have to make if is equal to e to the power p dx. P means the function of x, so we have to integrate with respect to x. This one is equal to e to the power p. P means 1 by x dx, that is e to the power twice of log of x Okay, log of x or base e. And since we know that n into log of m is equal to log of m to the power n. Okay, so this is equal to e to the power log of x square to the base e, and we know that m to the power log of x to the base m is equal to x. Okay, so base e, this one is equal to x square. So if is equal to x square. ओके, समझ में आ गया। अब if, ये जो if है उसको इंटीग्रल फैक्टर में हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है। मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई if इन बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ द गिवन लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन वी गेट x square into dy by dx plus 2 by x y is equal to x square into x log of x. Okay, so we have, after multiplying by if in both the sides of linear differential equation is x square into dy by dx, and when we open this bracket we have x square into dy by dx plus x square into 2 by x and x get cancelled, we have 2xy, that is equal to x square into x power 4 x cube into log of x. And now we have to transform it in the form of derivative. Okay, इसको हमें डेरिवेटिव के फॉर्म में चेंज करना है। कैसे चेंज करना है? ओके, लेट अस डिस्कस। So finally we have x square dy by dx. We have x square dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to x cube into log of x. इसको मैंने यहाँ से वहाँ कॉपी किया, ठीक है। अब हमें इसे, ये जो लास्ट इक्वेशन है उसे डेरिवेटिव फॉर्म में चेंज करना है। So we can present it in the form of derivative, that is d by dx of x square into y. आप ओपन करके चेक कर लीजिए। That is u into v, derivative of u into v means u, that is x square. Derivative of v, that is dy by dx. फिर से v means y. Derivative of u, that is x square 2x. ओके, समझ में आ गया। दिस वन इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब इंटू लॉग ऑफ एक्स। ओके, अब हमें क्या करना है? टेकिंग इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, दैट इज डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू वाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रल ऑफ एक्स क्यूब लॉग ऑफ एक्स डी एक्स. Okay, and we know that integration of derivative becomes the given function, that is x square y is equal to u into v. We have to adjust u into v according to LIATE, that is logarithm first. Logarithm should be first. Okay, so this is log of x into x cube dx. So u into v log of x into x to the power 4 upon 4 minus derivative of log of x is 1 upon x into x power 4 by 4 dx. This one is equal to 1 by 4 log of x into x to the power 4 minus 1 by 4 x and x to the power 4, that is x cube dx. And this one is 1 by 4 into log of x into x to the power 4 upon 1 by 4 into x to the power 4 upon 4. Okay, here x square y. So x square y is equal to 1 by 4 log of x to the into x to the power 4 minus x to the power upon 4, that is x to the power 4 upon 16. X square into y is equal to log of x into x to the power 4 upon 4 minus x to the power 4 upon 16, 4 4 is 16 plus c. This one is our final solution of the given differential equation matching with our written answer from textbook. Okay, please make a note. Okay, x square y is equal to 1 by 4 log of x minus 1 by 4 x cube. 1 by 4 x square y 1 by 4 log of x into x to the power 4 minus x and x power 4 get cancelled, x cube dx, x cube to the power 4 upon 4, 4 4 just 16, etc. So our answer is x square into y, x square into y is equal to log of x into x to the power 4 upon 4 minus 1 into x to the power 4, x to the power 4, 4 4 just 16 plus c. Okay, so this one is the solution of the given equation, that is x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square into log of x. Okay, please write down.